We're going to go through all 251s in 5 minutes. If you want to have a longer explanation about 251s, please visit this video here. We're going to cycle through them through the circle of fifths, which means we'll start in the key of C, then we'll go to the key of G, etc. For this exercise, we're going to start with the original voicings I taught you in exercise 1. But when we get to the 5 chord, we're going to alter that 5 chord to get a more jazzy sound there. So what that actually creates is a D minor 9, then these 3 notes hop down a semitone, and that gets us a G7 with a flat 9 and a flat 13, and then it resolves to the C major 9. So basically these top 3 notes are going down a semitone, and then this note stays, these 2 come down a semitone again, and this bottom note does as well. Just remember, when we're transposing through the keys, we're starting on the minor third of the 2 chord. So when we're in G or A minor, starting there. If you're finding it too challenging, just remember to stop the video and get those shapes under your fingers before you continue, or take the playback speed back a little bit. If you're finding it really easy, remember you can vary the rhythm up for variation, or if you really want to extend yourself, comp in the left hand and solo in the right hand, but I will have videos dedicated to that as well. Okay, let's cycle it through the 12 keys. 1, 2, 3, and... well done if you made it to the end. Remember to keep coming back to this just to keep drilling those chords, and when you feel really comfortable, move on to the next one. Go check out my channel to see all the different exercises. I recommend spending about a week on each one, or however long it takes before you move on to the next one. Remember, you really want to make sure you've got those chords under your fingers before moving on. Okay, thanks for following this one. I'll see you in the next video.